Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. As we can see, the price of Bitcoin is clearly showing this weakness to continue this impulsive movement and also struggling to hold this support around this 19,000. We are aware, guys, if this 19,000 is going to get broken, the next potential target for Bitcoin is looking very bearish. Why? Because we are aware, according to this bear flag in a daily time frame, the bottom is not in yet, because we found out if this lower target is going to get reached, then we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to retrace further around this 15,000, then calling it a bottom according to this bear flag. But if we look at this formation, the reason why the trend is weakening furthermore, because if you look at the formation, what we had, a bigger bear flag. Once we lost the support, we had this price retracement, another smaller bear flag formation, and as soon as we lost the support, we had this price retracement. And now, guys, this is another very interesting price scenario where we are also forming another bear flag. So if the support from this bear flag is going to get broken, you can see very clearly, guys, this could trigger another sell-off where we could end this rally around the 14 to 15,000 range according to this bear flag formation. So let's hope here in the medium short term the price of Bitcoin somehow manages to remain above this 19,000, because failing to hold that support line is not only going to trigger a sell-off because the price of Bitcoin has lost support from this bear flag, but also through this CPR indicator, because we have found out for this July month the CPR indicator is also pointing us two price target, one price target here to the upside and one to the downside. And this downward price target, the monthly S1 line, is around 14,357 area, guys. So that's why this 14,300 is also a target from this CPR line, because the price here has failed to break above this CPR formation. You can see in a downtrend, as I've been very clear with you, the CPR line is not going to act as a support, but it's going to act as a resistance. Pull back again. We tried to break above the CPR line, failed. After getting rejection, we had this price retracement here, a very similar scenario. We failed to break above the CPR line, we had this price retracement, and now we are getting this exact formation because the price of Bitcoin has also found rejection at the bottom CPR line. And if this trend is going to continue, then this monthly S1 line is definitely going to be our potential target for the upcoming days for Bitcoin. So let's hope, guys, let's hope that the price of Bitcoin is going to hold this support around this 19,000. And also, if you look at this in a bit different way, because I have been talking about this formation since a couple of days, we have found out each and every time the price of Bitcoin has failed to hold the support from this rising trend line in a downtrend, guys, I'm talking about downtrend. You can see this was a rising trend line, failed to find support at this rising trend line. We had this retracement. Similar scenario unfolded here. Price failed to continue this impulsive movement, but as soon as we broke the support from this rising trend line, we had this price retracement. Here, a very similar scenario unfolded. Failed to follow or continue this impulsive movement, right? And also failed to hold the support from this rising trend line, bigger price retracement. And this is exactly what we are also witnessing right now. I mean, the price of Bitcoin is following this rising trend line, which is a good sign, but we are aware right now we are testing the lower area, this 19,000 area. So that's why this 19,000 area is a very important line for us, because we know losing that support line could trigger another price sell-off here in this manner, guys, in this manner towards this 14 to 15,000 price area. And now let me also show you why this 19,000 for now is one of the most important line of support, not just only because of this rising trend line or even this bear flag formation what we are witnessing here, right? But if you also look at this price action in a bit different way, let me show you here. Now let me show you this in a 4-hour time frame. For now, right, for now, this falling trend line, as I've been very clear with you guys, is one of the most important line, because this was the exact line where the price of Bitcoin in past price action has found rejection plenty of time, right? You can see rejection, rejection, plenty of time. And now this same line is also acting as a support. You can see here, this is exactly where we are finding support. And now if we are going to hold this support line, then we know this could be a retest of this previous temporary resistance line and price of Bitcoin after finding or holding the support or defending the support. Let's say defending the support around the 19,000 could. So consolidation, and again price trying to continue this impulsive movement. And now if I would add another support line, the rising trend line support line, which I just showed you, you can see this 19,000 is the area of confluence. So this is exactly where we are also finding support from this rising trend line. Now looking into different perspective, this 19,000 here in the medium short term, even in the upcoming days, is going to be one of the most important line for Bitcoin, which we are not allowed to break, because breaking that could trigger a bigger price retracement where we could be getting retracing around this 14,300 to 15,000 price area. So guys, let's be careful and please do not over leverage yourself. So this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this video was helpful enough. If that's the case, then do destroy that like button, and also for those individuals watching this for the first time, come on, hit that subscribe button and the bell. And guys, right now I'm in Mallorca, Palma de Mallorca. It's a very nice place. So if you want to follow my journey, then also follow me on my Instagram. The link is provided in the description down below. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye-bye.